Yes, sir.
Okay, so have you solved the question?
No, sir.
Not a single one.
No, sir.
My video is clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, in my screen, it is showing differently. Like it is showing the green background only. There is no class logo.
Yes, sir. The green background.
That's it.
Yes.
Now,
Now it's clear, sir.
okay. So in our previous class, we have solved some portion of trading account, and I have also given you some homework to solve, but you have not completed the homework.
Yes.
Is there any specific reason that you have not tried any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so you can see this is opening stock, purchase, sales. No, actually, it is not in sharing mode. So, okay, let's understand the second topic, that is profit and loss account. After that, I think you will able to solve the question. So, profit and loss. Now, what is profit and loss account? So, it is also a account. It is also part of financial statement. Financial statement and prepared after trading account. You have to remember this, that it is prepared after trading account. So if there is a question in which you have to prepare trading and profit and loss both, then first you will prepare trading account, then profit and loss account. Okay.
Okay.
Profit and loss account is prepared to account is prepared to know the net profit of the business. Now, if we talk about features of profit and loss account, then the first is it is a nominal account. It is a nominal account. So, do you remember the rule of nominal account? Do you remember the rule of nominal account?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
All expenses and losses.
And losses?
Income and gains of business.
Yes, that one.
That one is the answer.
That's it.
Only the organization's name.
No, your answer was correct, but you didn't tell me the proper answer.
What is the proper answer?
Repeat your sentence that you were saying before.
All expenses and losses, income and gains of business.
That's it. So that's the rule you were saying.
Yes, sir.
No, it is not proper. Answer is somehow correct, but not proper. The proper answer is debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains.
Oh, okay.
So where is debit and credit?
Yes. Okay, okay, sir. I do not.
It is a nominal account. It is prepared after trading account. Uh, gross profit or gross loss. Gross loss is the starting point. Is the starting point. And the fourth one is indirect expenses and income are recorded in profit and loss. Balance in profit and loss account is called net profit or loss. Okay, so these are the features of profit and loss account. Now the format. Okay, first write these things. After that, we prepare the format.
Okay.
Done.
1 more minute, sir. I mean, the features last thing. I mean, last second. Oh, yeah.
Done.
No, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, so now I'm sharing a question with you. Yes. Now, can you see this format here? Yes.
Sir?
Can you see the format?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is the format of profit and loss account. Okay. It is prepared after preparation of trading. So if you prepare the format when we have to prepare both of these two accounts together, that is trading account and profit and loss account, then first you will prepare trading account, you will calculate gross profit or gross loss, then you will transfer it to profit and loss account. You can see the starting point of profit and loss account is gross loss transferred from trading account or by gross profit transferred from trading account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in this situation, only one of these two will be written. Either there will be gross profit or there will be gross loss. Both cannot be at the same time. So this is the starting point of our profit and loss account, gross loss, gross profit. In credit side, if you see, it is by rent received, discount received, commission earned, interest received, bad debts recovered, income from investment, dividend on shares, miscellaneous income, by net loss transfer to capital account. So these items are income or profit for the business. So that's why it is these are credited in profit and loss. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you see on the debit side, there is salary, rent, stationery and printing, postage and courier, telephone expenses, insurance expenses, business promotion expenses, repairs and renewals, depreciation, interest, convenience, bank charge, general expenses, electricity expenses, loss by fire or theft or damage, commission, advertisement, freight and carries outward, discount allowed, traveling expenses, bad debts, and in the last, it is net profit transfer to capital. So, what does it mean? I told you in the beginning that profit and loss account is nominal account. And in nominal account, all expenses and losses are on the debit side and all income and gains are on the credit side. So if you see on the debit side, you will see only expenses like uh, rent is given on the debit side in third number item. Yes.
Yes.
And if you see on the credit side, there is second item, rent received. So
Yes, sir.
rent on the debit side is expenses because we are paying it. So rent is expenses, but when we receive rent, it becomes income and it is shown on the credit side of profit and loss. Again, if you see the uh, in the middle, there is interest, two interest on the debit side, and on the credit side, in third, fourth, yes, fifth item is interest received. So again, simple interest is given, then it is expenses, interest received is income. One more item is here, commission. Commission on the debit side, it is simply written to commission, so it is expenses. But on the credit side, the fourth item is commission received. So items which is received or which is income or gain for the company will be shown on the credit side, and items which are expenses or loss, then they will be shown on the debit side. After writing all these items, we calculate total again and write the higher amount on in the total cell. And after that, we calculate the difference. Difference can be net loss or net profit.
Okay.
Only one item can be written, net profit or net loss. Both cannot happen at the same time. So yeah, either net profit or net loss. After calculation of net profit or net loss, it will be transferred to balance sheet. When we will discuss balance sheet, I will tell you how to treat this net profit or net loss in balance sheet. But until then, you just have to remember that the balance of profit and loss account is called net profit or net loss. Is that clear? Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now read the items. Actually, I have studied all the items. I have read all the items. There is no special item given. So please go through all the item and tell me if you do not understand any item in this format so that I can explain it to you. And you have to copy this format in your notebook also because
Okay.
it is given in the textbook and you can copy it. So please take the screenshot here and just write because it will take some time to write these items. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But if you want to write, you can write now.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. But before writing, go through all the items. If you don't understand any item, then tell me so that I can explain.
Finish, sir.
Okay. So now the question part. You have gone through all the items. Is there any specific item you don't understand?
Not really, sir.
Which one?
Huh? So you change the
Which item?
page. By miscellaneous income.
Miscellaneous means different type of small expenses. There is no heading for that. So these expenses or income are included in miscellaneous expenses or income.
Okay.
Like when you do the calculation for, let's say, you are matching your books that how much money you have received and how much money you have paid. So sometime there are some small amount or small expenses that you don't remember, but it happened. Okay, so you put all these amount in a separate item that is miscellaneous item. Anything else?
No.
Okay, so this is the format.
So,
Now
if
the
a
question
business,
part.
no, sir, I haven't done. If the
Yes,
business gives out samples, where will we write, sir?
this is advertisement expenses. Because if you are giving sample, what is the purpose of it?
To advertise our product.
To advertise our product. So this is advertisement expenses.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. There is this, you can see here, business promotion expenses. You can put the sample here also. And here is advertisement. Okay, so yes, this is the quotient. Now read the quotient and tell me with every item that where it will go.
Okay,
After
sir.
that, I will start solving the quotient.
Okay, sir. But I can see the book I saw, I wrote it.
You can see the
No, sir. I wrote, the box you gave me.
format.
Yes, I can see that and tell you it, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir. Can I first write it down and then tell you?
No, just read it and tell me.
Okay. Sir. Oh, sales
Yes, please start.
is supposed to be on the credit side, right? Am I right?
Okay. The next one,
Purchase is on the debit side.
debit side of. There is two accounts we have discussed, trading account and profit and loss.
Yes, sir. P&L accounts.
So it will go to P&L.
Yes, sir.
No, not correct. Purchase will go to trading account debit side.
So 1 minute, sir. Let me take trading account format too, sir. I kept it somewhere I lost it.
Without seeing the format, you cannot tell me the answer.
I can.
Yes, then tell me.
Okay. So purchase on the credit side So should I say, what should I say?
Yes, that's it. Actually, you have to say the account name and the side on which it will go. Like, just I'm saying, sales account will go to credit side of trading account. Purchase account will go to debit side of trading account. Like this, you have to say.
Okay.
Okay, let me solve the question, then you'll understand.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so the first item is sales. So it will go to trading account, credited side. Uh, Actually, this account is combined trading account and profit. Okay, trading and profit and loss account of DAS for the year ended 31st March 2022. So we have to write it like this. Okay, after that, the first thing is sales 9,20,000. So we will write by actually. Okay, so no, it is not good. Okay, by sales 9,20,000. Actually, I'm writing sales not in amount column, under particular column, so that if is there any deduction from this sales, like sales return will be given in the quotient, then I will deduct it first, then write it in the final column. So the next item is purchase 6,83,000. So to purchase 6,83,000. After that, it is return inward. You can see here sales return minus a return inward. It is 13,000. So 9,07,000 here. After that, return outward 22,000 minus return outward 22,000. 6,61,000. After that, there is a stock on 1st April 2019. This is opening stock, so it will go here to opening stock. 1,76,000. So we have to write items like this. Carriage inward is direct expenses, so it will be written here. Carriage inward. It is 24,000. Rent is item of profit and loss. So I will leave some space here for trading account completion. Then I will start profit and loss account from here to rent. It is 22,000. After that, discount 37,500. So to discount 37,500. And then printing 7,200. So to printing 7,200. Again, insurance 5,000. these items are related to profit and loss. So all items is, I'm writing in profit and loss, insurance 5,000. After that, traveling expenses 14,000 to traveling expenses. $14,000. There is postage and courier. This is also profit and loss item. Two, postage and courier. It is 6,200. And one more item, two, miscellaneous expenses. Actually, there are many items here, and I don't have enough space. Miscellaneous expenses. This is 9,000. There is a bad dates, so I will write it
Mhm.
on the upper side. Bad dates. It is 4,000. And after that, there is debtors, creditors, loan, capital, drawing, business premise, furniture. All these items are not a income, not expenses. Neither income, not expenses. Okay. These are assets and liabilities. So when we prepare balance sheet, it will go to the balance sheet. Okay. Is there any doubt you have?
No.
Now, in the end, there is the stock on 31st March 2020, means at the end of the year was 2,40,000. So it will go to trading account. Now, it is written outside trial balance. That's why we are writing here. Otherwise, it will not be written here. Closing stock is 2,40,000. Let's say if this item, that is a stock on 31st March 2020, is written in between these items, then it will not be shown in trading account. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be written in the question that following are the trial balance of the company, and we have to prepare the profit and loss account and trading account. Then always you will see this stock below the balance given. So that's why we will write it on the credit side of trading account. Now every item is written, so we will calculate total. Now what do you think? Which side has more amount?
Like
This
the
or
credit
this? I think
side.
this
The
credit side,
credit.
11,47,000. 11,47,000. Now debit side is less, so we will write here to gross profit.
So if credit
And
side
this
is,
gross profit,
we will write on the credit side by gross profit.
yes, if debit side is more than credit side, then we will write by gross loss. Okay. Three lakh, sorry, it is 2,96,000. 2,96,000. 20, 61,060. It will be 286. Sorry. Let me calculate it. Yes, 2,86,000. Now on the credit side, it will be transferred to credit side. So by gross profit, 2,86,000. And then I will calculate the balance here. 2,86,000. 2,86,000. And here it will be to net profit. So net profit will be calculated. Two lakh 86,000 minus 4,000 minus 22,000 minus 37,500 minus 7,200 minus 5,000 minus 14,000 minus 6,200 minus 9,000. So it is 1,81,100. Tell me, is this clear to you?
Yes.
So you have to see that there is income or expenses given in the portion. Then you have to write it either in trading account or profit and loss account. Okay, there is no separation like this in profit and loss account and trading account. There is just a difference of total, and leave some space between.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so please write this down so that if there is any problem while solving the question, then you can refer the solution and then try to solve other question.
Okay. 1 minute.
I think you have already solved some of the question of trading account, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you didn't understood this?
I did understand this.
Trading account in your school?
Not some parts, I did not understand.
Okay.